Subscribe Techno Gyan Pedia channel and press the bell icon to get our latest video updates. Also don't forget to like, comment and share this video.
Hi everyone. Microsoft just unveiled Windows 11, which is the next generation of Windows. It's a major update that brings several new features, including a new start menu, touch experience, Microsoft Store, and improvements for gaming. It also includes support for Android apps through the Amazon Store. It's the biggest news to happen to Windows-powered PCs in years. Here I show you how to download and install the super light version of Windows 11 Professional. It can be installed even on PCs with small configuration. This ISO size is 1.6 GB only. This is a very simple tutorial that anyone can understand very quickly. Click on the link in the description to download the Windows 11 Lite version. Once clicked, the download link in Google Drive will open. Click on download, then click download anyway. After that, you need to create a bootable flash drive. For that you need to download a small tools named Rufus. Go to website rufus.ie, then click on Rufus download link. Once both are downloaded, connect the USB stick to your PC. USB stick must be 2 GB or more. Once your USB drive is connected, open the Rufus tool. Select the downloaded ISO file by clicking Select button. Click Start button. If you get this warning, click OK button. When the bootable USB is ready, close Rufus tool. Insert the drive in that system, where Windows 11 have to be installed. Restart the system, press boot key, and select boot device as USB drive. Press any key to start installation. Choose time, language and other options, click Next. Click on Install Now button. Click I don't have product key link. Check I accept the Microsoft software license terms, click Next button. Choose Custom Installation. Select your hard drive, where you want to install. Installation will start to copying files. When this process is complete, the system will restart. Choose your region, then click Yes. Choose US keyboard, click Yes. Second keyboard layout, skip this window. Here, choose Setup for personal use. If you like to log in with Microsoft account, you can log in here. Otherwise click on Sign In option, then create offline user account. Choose offline account. Click Limited Experience. Enter new username. If you like password, enter password and follow the instruction. Otherwise just click on Next. Choose privacy settings of your device, read carefully, turn on what you want and turn off what you don't want. Then click Accept button. Now the Windows 11 Super Lite version ready to use. I hope you like. Thanks for watching the video.